I cannot live without you. I told you this, it's true. I'll take pieces of you with me. I'll take parts you never knew. And one day you will wake up without warning or a clue, and start to notice little things that are missing parts of you. Be my dear. The freckle on your shoulder and the creases on your cheeks, the scar upon your forehead and your